As a food manufacturer, your time should be spent focusing on things that will help you succeed, like keeping your suppliers and customers happy and your team members engaged and productive. Your time shouldn't be spent dealing with software that just doesn't work for your business. With generic business software, you've probably found yourself frustrated, hand-keying important information and juggling multiple systems, stressed about potential errors and time wasted on manual data entry that could be automated. Maybe you think it's time to start looking for new systems. But what if you could choose an all-in-one solution that meets your needs and was built for your industry? Meet NorthScope. NorthScope provides real-time balances, convenient access to all transactions, as well as payments that can be made via check or direct deposit. The inventory features will help you trace your product, assign lot certifications, enforce lot holds, and more. Then, you can allocate inventory directly on sales transactions, guaranteeing you only sell product you're proud of. With sales, inventory, brokerage, accounting, purchasing, and more, NorthScope has all aspects of your food business covered in one user-friendly system.
We made NorthScope because we wanted to help enrich people's lives at work by giving them the tools they need to run their companies more effectively. And we do this by solving their problems with software that really works and understands the needs of their business.
We love helping the down-to-earth, hardworking people in the food manufacturing industry. We consider our customers partners and prioritize continuously improving our software to make their lives easier.
Optimize your food manufacturing business today with ERP software built for your industry.